Welcome to Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast for March 21st, 2026. Bitcoin holds steady above 70,000 as global markets digest persistent volatility and Wall Street dives deeper into digital assets. Today, we're looking at Bitcoin's resilience, institutional adoption milestones, and the evolving landscape of crypto derivatives. First up, Bitcoin continues to trade above the key 70,000 mark, showing strength despite this week's macro headwinds. After a drop from last week's highs near 75,000, markets reacted to heightened tensions in the Middle East and shifts in global energy markets. Analysts say Bitcoin seems less sensitive to rising interest rates than traditional safe havens like gold, and recent economic data points to it potentially acting as a hedge against inflation and deteriorating financial conditions. For investors, Bitcoin's ability to outpace gold and equities during these shocks could hint at growing trust in digital assets as a macro-scale financial tool. In other big news, Morgan Stanley is preparing to launch its spot Bitcoin ETF under the ticker MSBT. With a $1 million seed investment and Coinbase as its prime broker and custodian, this move signals expanding Wall Street interest in regulated Bitcoin products. If approved, it would join an already vibrant ETF market that has seen over $56 billion flow in since early 2024, opening more doors for institutional and mainstream investors to gain Bitcoin exposure. Meanwhile, the rapid rise of derivatives trading is reshaping the crypto markets, especially as uncertainty looms. Bitcoin open interest has stabilized near $17 billion, but options markets show rising demand for short-term downside protection, with volatility expectations higher for the week ahead. On the altcoin front, tokens like Quant and Aptos stood out, each gaining more than 6%, driven by new exchange listings and fresh spot demand. These moves highlight pockets of optimism even as the broader market remains cautious. To wrap up, Bitcoin stays resilient above 70,000 as global conflict and economic uncertainty swirl. Wall Street is doubling down on institutional crypto access, while derivatives and select altcoins play an increasingly important role for traders and investors. For more insights, news, and daily crypto updates, make sure to subscribe, follow our channel, and visit our blog at your_blog_link_here.